Hey guys, it's me, Star Fox again, and today is going to be another tutorial on C++, and this is going to be episode number 2. So yeah, okay. So in the last tutorial, I taught you how to use variables, string variables, uh, a little bit of the control structures, and some other stuff. But today I'm going to be teaching you about arrays and functions. So yeah, pretty good. So we're going to start off now with what an array is. An array is practically just a variable with it's like the name of a variable with a bunch of values, so that you don't have to have like 5 different integers or variables. Like you don't have to have like integer 75 or integer A, B, C, D, or whatever. So yeah. So what an array is, to make it, you just gotta put integer or short. We're just gonna use short today. And then you gotta have a name for it, so let's just call it U2. And then what you put in these square brackets is you put how many variables you're going to have. So we're just going to have just 5 for today. And then you put equals, and then put curly brackets, and then put numbers you want. So like, I guess first variable will just have 75, 78, 3, 56, and 9. Okay? And so, how you call on an array is you just go something like, you just go YouTube, what you named your array, and then you type in the curly brackets, the field, whichever one. So this would be 0, that's 0. This would be 1. This would be 2. That's 0, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4. So it's 0 to 4. That makes 5 just characters or numbers. And then let's just say we want it to output the first one. So then we just type 0, because 0 is to call that one. And then 1 would be to call this one, 78. 2 would be to call 3, and then 4 would be to call 56. Oh wait, 0, 2, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 4 would be to call 9. So yeah, okay. So yeah, and then I'll just show you real quick. Oops, sorry. See. It's just I was on another program, so yep, okay. Alright. Are you serious? Okay. Yep, and then it shows it, see, 9. So that's the last one right there. That's 9. And then if you want to let's do something, let's make it, I'll show you how to use it. So you're going to have your array, and then let's just say, want some input, cn, input, can't name it that, let's just do it like, cn, gn. Yeah, we'll just name it that, because that's the only thing I can think of. And so, oh, wait, hold on. Let's just short gen. Okay, and then we're just gonna have if curly brackets gn equals YouTube 2, so that's 3. Then just say yeah. Wait. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, then it just closes out and okay. So let's try this. So watch carefully. Type in 3. It's gonna say yeah because the input that we put in matched the array, or it matched the variable right here, and it put out this. It said yeah. Alright. Okay. So that's for arrays, and pretty simple. So one extra thing to add to your list of already know how to do. Okay, for this next one, we're gonna learn how to use functions. And functions, practically, I don't even. Okay, so yeah, this right here is a function, and the function is called main. But when we run this program, this C++ program, it already knows that main is the first function that it's supposed to complete. So it's just logic. Why did I do that? It's just logic. So we're going to need to create a new function called, I'm going to make a timer. So we're just going to call this void. So because we don't want it, the reason I put void is because we don't want it to return any information or just any input. So let's just call it void, and then we name it, let's just call it wait. And then you should put long, and then time. I guess we can't name it that. Let's just name it long www. Put curly brackets, and then so in here we just put what we want it to do. And then I'll show you the magic later, why it's so special, and then you'll be like, oh yeah, that's so awesome, man. I'm going to use that in every program. So what we want it to do first is we want it to, let's put www equals let's see here. www. Okay, so this is the amount of seconds. We're just going to call this seconds. Change of mind. So we're going to call this seconds equals seconds times 1000. Because 1000, we're measuring milliseconds here. So 1000 is going to be 1 second. And then if we put sleep seconds. And then so what we do is we just put, okay, once that's done, we just go down here. Oops, sorry, gotta end that. We put in hi. No, let's just say I can't type today. Let's just put waiting. And let's just put the command wait. So that's our function right there. It just turns it into a command that you can, or a statement that you can use in your program. But in here, what goes in these brackets is that goes the amount of times that you want to wait, the amount of seconds you want to wait. So that's why we had to make a variable inside the parentheses, and then in here inside the function, what it does is it turns it in whatever number you put in here. What it does is it just multiplies it by 1000, and then sleep is actually a command that it's gonna fail. So in order to that, you need to include stdio. I think that's what it is. Or it might be time H. Well, I'm not sure. Okay, so after that, we're just going to put 3 seconds. And then we're going to put like something like, yeah, I waited. And then we want it to close out. Okay, so yeah, save it, run it. Is it running? And there seems to be something wrong. Oh, because it's already running. Huh. Forgot to close it out. Okay. Yep, okay, so sorry, that's not the right source. It must be time H, I guess. So run it again. Nope, still not the right one. Okay. So I'm gonna try Windows H, hopefully. Yep, it's Windows H, okay. It says waiting. Okay. So yeah, that's our function. And our function just waits 3 seconds. So yeah, that's pretty simple. Alright, that's it guys, and I guess I'll make other tutorials in the near future. So just stay tuned and go to my website because there's plenty of helpful stuff. And there is actually, you can follow my blog posts and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. Bye.